something went wrong with the transcript, or didn't it? In the beginning? No? Oh, then I'm sorry. Then I'm just confused.
Yes, these are 5 of our programs, and I think all of you got this DVD in your goodie bag. Hopefully, if not, you can ask for it. I think there are all 11 programs with the English transcript on this DVD, and I read an email yesterday that you can get an access for the EBU homepage. Edwin, I think, it's right, and there you can download every single sound and the script at all.
Yeah, and of course, then you of course want to listen, like if Anna Martens found this girl, or if Leo Honeck really got to these ladies.
And you can listen to your story.
You can also listen to my story. I made, just to put it very short, I made a documentary about this tiny community in the Netherlands that really got into this visual circle of distrust and conflict after some wallets were stolen. So listen to that.
It's track number 10.
No, almost the last one. So, and you
but
can also
first you have to listen to track number 9. It's High Tech in the Garden of Eden. It's my story produced by RBB in Berlin as well. And it's a story between about the relationship between arms factories at Lake Constance, a nice and beautiful paradise place in the south of Germany, and the society they love their arms factories mostly. It's a story about.
Yeah, and I think Edwin Bries wants to come to the stage for just.
I don't have to come to the stage. Can you hear me? Just
No.
announce that the next master school will be announced at the Sigarepa in October, and the deadline for application will be, I think, the 1st of December. So you can follow all information about the next master school on the IFC website, whether on the EBU website. If we have given here 100 copies of this. If you miss one, you always can write to the EBU and you can get it for free. If you want to have copies for colleagues or for friends, just go to the website EBU and they can.
Yeah, so if you get withdrawal systems after the IFC, you want to just keep listening to radio documentaries, please listen to the DVD. And if you want to join in the master school, contact Edwin, and yeah, have fun.
Thank you very much for your attention.